Hi folks, it's Colin Fraser. Welcome back to our video tutorials on the Rasa tutorial and design series. Now, one of the things I wanted to mention, specifically when you're looking at the home page and some of the really cool effects that we've put into the template, is you may not see them locally. In other words, on your local, when you're previewing the page locally and not a published site, you may not get the full gist of the effects. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is a copy of our Rasa using the religion theme images locally. This is just coming from my computer. It's on my desktop. I'm previewing it. The image looks, nice and clean. We have sort of the cool, fade effect over here and the triangle with the overlay effect, which is great. But we don't get the full effect. And let's take a look at the live demo. I'll show you what I mean. One of the effects I wanted to really put into the site was the blur, this inner blur under the logo, and then the overlay effect, and then the rest of the graphic design. But you won't see that locally, and that's just because it needs to be published up to the server in order to get the same effect. Okay, so don't worry too much about that if you're not seeing it locally. It will show up once it's on a live server. That's just the way those particular effects work. Now, with that said, you may want to remove a certain part of the image. This black piece that sort of comes over right here, let's just take a look at that using our inspect element with Chrome. In other words, I'm just going to inspect, pull up my element here. And that particular piece, this darker cover piece right here, that is, I'm just going to hover over the actual image. It's actually the section top image cover, and it's right in your index page. So if we open up the index page, we can find it right here as an image. There it is right there. If you don't want the cover, just delete it like so. I'm just going to save it, and then we can watch our progress as we go. So let's go back to our home page here, and the cover is now gone. Okay, there it is. Okay, no more dark cover. And the same with the mask piece right here. I'm just going to switch back to Chrome, refresh. There we go. And now we have this other piece with a triangle. And that's actually a graphic as well. And we've applied some CSS overlay effects. If you want to get rid of the triangle, let's just take a look and see where that's located. And it's called the section top image cover border. All right. So back to Dreamweaver. This piece right here, this image of section top image cover, we're just going to remove that. And like so, save, go back to our page and refresh, and there it is. Now it's gone. Okay, that's all you have to do, and now you're back to just a single image and the website name and a very nice clean looking homepage, although I think the other effects are pretty cool.